Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the WordPress homepage name. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account. So to do that, you have to firstly go to the browser and search for wordpress.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, this is the interface you're going to see. Over here, you can see the edit site option over here. Click on the edit site option. After clicking on the site option, it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see over here, here on the left hand side, you can see the pages option. Click on the pages option and you can see all your available pages. Now, how to know that which is your home page? After you have actually have all of your pages over here, you can see the three dot option on the right side that says actions. Click on the actions. The page that has the actions or the three dot option is your home page. So after that, you can see here are many options. You can edit, view, duplicate, and rename. After that, you have to click on rename as you want to rename or change the WordPress homepage name. So I'm just gonna rename it to the dumbest. And after that, as you can see, my homepage name has been changed, and that's how you actually change the homepage name in WordPress. And as you can see, my page shows like this, and that is how you change the homepage name in WordPress. After you are done, click on save option over here to save your actions. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.